I'm David Heathfield. I'm a storyteller, and I'd like to invite you to the Stories in the Classroom mini event. My webinar, as part of that event, is personal and creative storytelling from folk tales to our own stories. Storytelling is what happens between people when we get together and share stories, either spontaneously or maybe rehearsed. And stories, the ones we are told, the ones we tell, make us who we are. Students can explore a folk tale, the meanings that are personal to them, and the story will prompt in them stories about their own lives. And through creative expression, through nurturing, we can enable our students to become storytellers themselves in the English language classroom. The focus is on creativity. We can help students to become creators of their own stories. And in the session, we'll look at a short folk tale that I learnt from a Palestinian teenager, which is all about how we can avoid a crisis by making a change before it's too late. It's all about living in harmony. So I'm very much looking forward to being with you and sharing stories.